to tell you how I feel, but I go crazy when you're finally here. I'm not that confident, so what to do when every word just makes me sound uncool? My heart is beating when you look at me. That's why I think about you constantly. It should be easy, but it's hard to tell. I wish somehow that I could keep you to myself. I hope you're not in love with someone else. That is how I feel, and I don't get to decide, 'cause love won't go away.